Hello everyone. Welcome to Justice English Academy. In today's lesson, you will learn 50 easy English sentences that you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking English with confidence. Let's begin. 1. Hello. A common greeting. 2. Good morning. Used in the morning. 3. Good afternoon. Used in the afternoon. 4. Good evening. Used in the evening. 5. Good night. Said before sleeping. 6. How are you? Asking about someone's well-being. 7. I am fine. A simple reply. 8. Nice to meet you. Used when meeting someone for the first time. 9. What is your name? Asking for a person's name. 10. My name is John. Introducing yourself. 11. Where are you from? 12. I am from Nigeria. 13. How old are you? 14. I am 20 years old. 15. Please help me. 16. Thank you very much. 17. You are welcome. 18. Excuse me. 19. I am sorry. 20. No problem. 21. I like it. 22. I don't like it. 23. I am hungry. 24. I am thirsty. 25. I am tired. 26. I am happy. 27. I am ready. 28. I don't understand. 29. Can you help me? 30. Please speak slowly. 31. What time is it? 32. It is 7 o'clock. 33. Where is the bathroom? 34. This is my friend. 35. I love my family. 36. I want to learn English. 37. I can speak a little English. 38. Please repeat that. 39. Can you say that again? 40. I understand now. 41. See you tomorrow. 42. Have a nice day. 43. Take care. 44. Welcome to our class. 45. Let's go. 46. Come with me. 47. Sit down, please. 48. Stand up, please. 49. Open your book. 50. Thank you for watching. Excellent. You have just learned 50 daily English sentences for beginners. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me one more time. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. The more you practice these simple sentences every day, the more confident you will become in speaking English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy English lessons from Justice English Academy. Thank you for watching, have a wonderful day, and see you in the next lesson.